Hi, welcome to V's Red House Kitchen. Today we're going to make Taiwanese beef noodle soup, 红烧牛肉面. Here are the ingredients you need. The full recipe link is in the description. Start by blanching the beef in cold water. Bring it to a boil. Skim off the foam, then remove and set aside. In a heavy pot, heat a little oil and fry onion, garlic, ginger, bay leaves, star-anise, Chinese cinnamon, and Sichuan pepper until the onion softens and browns. Stir in Sichuan chili bean paste. It's the key to this soup's signature flavor. Add light and dark soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, and chopped tomato. Pour in hot water with a touch of sugar. Then return the beef. Once it starts to simmer, cover with a lid and cook gently over low heat. Meanwhile, make the topping. Sizzle minced garlic and ginger in oil. Add chopped pickled mustard greens and fry until fragrant. Cook the noodles until just done, and quickly blanch some leafy greens in the same pot. After about 1.5 hours, the beef should be so tender it breaks apart easily. Remove the meat and strain the broth to discard any solid bits. Now assemble the bowls. Noodles, bok choy, beef chunks, and the hot, rich broth. Top with fried mustard greens and a sprinkle of cilantro if you like. Here you are, Taiwanese beef noodle soup, comforting, hearty, and full of great flavors. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy making it.